you put hours into scripting, editing, and uploading consistent content. But when you check your analytics, the numbers refuse to move. Persistent growth on this platform doesn't come from applying random tips one by one. It comes from constructing a single, continuous, mechanical system. In this guide, we are going to build that exact system. We will set up a batch launch strategy, capture early search trends before they peak, and wire everything together with an end-screen funnel. To follow along and build this engine today, you need 3 things: access to your YouTube studio, 2 to 5 ready videos, and a clearly defined target audience. Without this connected infrastructure, even if you manage to land a successful upload, that effort is often lost. The new audience will watch once and leave because the channel lacks the mechanism to retain them. When starting out, the default behavior for most creators is to launch a channel with a single video on day 1 and then wait for results. The problem with this approach is the lack of data. The recommendation system needs more than one point of reference to understand your topic or find the correct target audience for your specific style. This diagram shows how we fix that using the content chain rule. Instead of a single upload, you launch a new channel or pivot an existing one with a minimum of 5 related videos simultaneously. When a viewer encounters a channel with multiple related videos, their behavior shifts. A one-off view turns into binge watching, which provides the system with a much stronger signal to suggest your channel again. Uploading a 5-video batch is about efficiency. It provides the algorithm with a richer initial dataset, allowing it to categorize your niche and start testing your content with the right viewers more quickly. However, if you upload a batch of 5 videos targeting topics with no existing demand, the engine won't have the fuel it needs to start. Before filming, pass every topic through this high-potential filter. A topic needs confirmed search demand, visible competitor success, and a unique hook that justifies your version. A common trap is jumping on a trend only after millions of videos have already been published. By that point, the audience interest has peaked and your content is likely to be buried. To find trends while they are still growing, use the early mover metric. Search your niche for videos uploaded within the last 3 days that have generated oversized views relative to the creator's subscriber count. This metric identifies where demand is currently surging. By focusing on these topics, you tap into existing audience momentum instead of trying to manufacture interest from scratch. Once those initial views begin flowing, you must lock in a sustainable upload schedule, such as once every 7 or 10 days, to maintain that presence. This chart visualizes algorithmic compounding. Notice how evenly spaced uploads create a stair-step growth path. The watch time and views from your previous uploads provide a foundation that supports the performance of your next release. Taking long, unpredictable gaps between uploads destroys this compounding effect. Your channel momentum effectively resets, forcing you to rebuild your audience's interest from zero. As you maintain consistency, watch your studio data for a 10x anomaly, the single video that significantly outperforms the rest of your channel. When you identify that outlier, apply the double down rule. Take the core problem and formatting of that winning video and use them as the blueprint for your next project. Avoid creating a literal part 2, as viewers are less likely to click on a direct sequel. Instead, use your winning format to solve a different, related problem for that same specific audience. Combining a steady schedule with targeted follow-up content protects the momentum earned by a successful video. You are building a structure where every new upload leverages the audience built by the last. The final mechanical step is converting your hard-earned viewer momentum into a closed loop using an end-screen funnel. The core rule here is relevance. Never link a random video. The linked content must solve the exact logical next problem the viewer will face after finishing the current one. In your YouTube studio, click the Content tab on the left and select the specific video you want to optimize. On the right side panel, click End Screen. Then select Element and choose Video from the drop-down menu. Choose your relevant follow-up video and adjust the timeline slider so the element appears at the precise moment you mention it in your audio. This targeted setup creates a logical decision point for the viewer. By offering the exact solution they need next, you convert a passive exit into an opportunity to gain a long-term subscriber. With that funnel in place, your channel's new YouTube growth engine is now mechanically fully assembled and active. You are launching with a data-rich batch, capturing early trends, stacking your momentum through consistency, and closing the loop with a targeted funnel. This combination of steps is designed to turn isolated clicks into multi-video sessions, maximizing the value of the new viewers the system sends your way. Now that your engine is built, your next logical step is reaching monetization. Click the video on screen right now to see the exact mechanics of securing your first 4,000 watch hours. I'll see you there.